Hello, 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 and how are you? Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, I'm happy, I'm wonderful. How are you today, kids? Dima, how are you today? Say to the kids. Dima, what happened with you? Maybe Dima is not happy today. No, he is sad. Dima, wait a minute, okay? Let's go learn English and you will be happy. Kids, are you happy today? But I'm a little bit happy because outside, Mr. Sun, do you know Mr. Sun? Mr. Sun is not happy, he's sad, and it is raining. Shh, shh, shh. It's raining a lot, Mr. Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun is behind the clouds. Oh my goodness. But leave this. Today I have a new team to talk with you. Do you want to know about? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. Do you know the song is about? Do you know the song? Babies, I have a dog like Old MacDonald. Wait a minute. It is my dog. So we are going to talk about farm animals. Do you know what is a farmer? I will show to you what is a farmer. Wow! It's Old MacDonald! Look at the Old MacDonald! And I can see the animals here. I can see one cow. I can see one dog. I can see the pig. So I can see the farm. It's a farm. And we are going to learn about animals. Oh, I have a lot of animals here. I have the dog, I have the duck, I have chicken, I have the cow, I have a lot of animals in the farm, okay? So we are going to learn about the animals, and about the sound of the animals. An example, what is the sound of the dog? The dog does like this. It's like this, right? And what is the sound of the chicken? It's like this, right? What is the sound of the cow? It's and that's it. The song of Old MacDonald, it's about animals and the sound of animals. So the animals do some sound. The sound of the cow is moo. No, teacher, it's not like this. It's like moo. So let's go to sing the song. Come with me. So it's like this, okay? I will sing the song and you are going to do the sound of the animal. If I say, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had a duck. You are going to do the sound of the duck. So the sound of the duck is quack, quack, quack. Very good. Repeat with me. Duck. Repeat with me. Duck. Yes. And the sound of the duck is quack, 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 quack. Repeat with me. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Very good. So let's go. Let's try. Once with, can be the dog. The dog will be the first one, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I. The sound of dog. If I out here, out there, here, out there, out there, everywhere. Wow, wow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow. Do you remember the cow? It's a cow. Repeat with me. A cow. Yes, and the sound of the cow is moo. Let's try. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. If I moo here, moo there, here moo there, moo everywhere, moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a, do you know this animal? It's a horse. Repeat with me. Horse. Horse. It's a horse. And the sound of horse, it's I don't know how to do. It's like and on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. If a neigh neigh here, a neigh neigh there, here neigh there neigh, everywhere neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a, you already know this. It's a white and fluffy duck. Do you know the duck? Look, repeat with me. Duck. Duck. Very good. It's a duck and he is white. And the sound of duck is quack, 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 quack. Let's go. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. If I quack, quack here, quack, quack there, here, quack there, quack everywhere, quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm had a, let me see. Oh, I can see one that is so cutie. It's the baby of chicken. It's a chick. So the chicken does like this, pop, 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 pop. And the chick does like pew, 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 pew. The chick, let's repeat. Chick. Chick, very good. Is a yellow chick. Very good. And on his farm he had a chick, E-I-E-I-O. If I pew, pew here, pew, pew there, here, pew, there, pew, everywhere, pew, pew. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Aye, very good. Do you know Old MacDonald is a man? Yes, Old MacDonald is a man and he has a lot of animals. So he has a duck, he has a chicken, he has a horse, he has a cow, he has a dog and a lot of another animals. Semana que vem a gente vai aprender os outros animals que o Old MacDonald tem na farm dele, mas eu quero relembrar com vocês agora os animals que a gente aprendeu hoje. Let's go learn about the animals today. So, say to me, which animal is this? Ah, very good. It's a dog. And the sound of dog is? Very good. Let's go to the other. Which animal is this? The white and black animal? It's a cow. Cow, repeat with me. A cow. And the sound of the cow is moo. Very good. And the other animal is a horse. Repeat with me. Horse. Horse. Very good. It's a horse. And the other animal, a white one. Do you know the sound? Duck. Very good. It's a duck. And the sound of the duck is quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Very good. And now I have the... Do you know the name? Chicken. 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 Repeat with me. Chicken. It's a chicken. And the chickens do like this. But the chicken, the mama chicken, has a baby one. And it's the chick. Say it to me. Chick. Very good. It's a chick. Very good. It's a yellow chick. And the chicks do like this. Pew, 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 pew. Very good. And the last one. And the last one. Hey, we don't have any more. Dima, you forgot the baby pig. Oh, mommy, I'm sorry. I forgot the pig. Então, na semana que vem, the next week, we are going to learn about pigs. Do you like pigs? Vocês gostam de pigs? Do you like pigs? Yes, I love pigs. Are you happy today, Dima, now? Yes, now I'm happy. Okay, very good. So, children, I see you next time. Next week, na próxima aula, nós vamos aprender sobre pigs. O pig não tá aqui hoje, mas nós vamos aprender sobre pigs. See you. Bye, bye.